Homemade syrup that treats digestive problems. The majority of homemade syrups that we know are made with ingredients that help us fight off colds, sore throats, coughs and allergies. However, in this article we're going to teach you how to make a homemade recipe that will help treat digestive problems. Below, learn how to make this simple remedy in order to stop flatulence, bloating, heartburn, heavy digestion and other digestive problems. What ingredients do we need? We need the following ingredients and amounts to make this homemade syrup. 2 organic lemons. 3 Ceylon cinnamon sticks. 5 teaspoons of fennel seeds. 5 teaspoons of lemon balm leaves. 5 tablespoons of mint leaves. 1 tablespoon of ground turmeric. 1 tablespoon of ground ginger. 1/2 cup of honey. 1 liter of water. The ingredients' properties. We will now tell you about the properties of the ingredients used in this medicinal syrup. Lemon. Lemons are citrus fruits that improve digestion. Lemons make the process of fat absorption easier and they also neutralize excess acid in the stomach. Because of this, lemons are ideal for fighting heartburn and stomach heaviness, as well as other digestive problems. Ceylon cinnamon. Ceylon cinnamon is a spice that has many beneficial properties. For instance, it helps us to improve gastric juice secretion, regulate blood sugar levels, fight flatulence and prevent ulcers from forming, which are caused by acid buildup. Fennel. Although it's not a laxative, fennel prevents constipation. It also encourages the elimination of gases, so that we can avoid annoying and painful flatulence. Fennel's anti-inflammatory properties also make it a good remedy for colitis and gastritis. It also tastes delicious. Lemon balm. Lemon balm is a plant that effectively treats psychosomatic digestive problems. This type of digestive problem is caused by emotional issues and nervousness. Furthermore, this plant gets rid of flatulence, indigestion and bad breath. Mint. Thanks to its carminative properties, mint is very effective in alleviating bloating and flatulence. Furthermore, it helps us to relax our abdominal muscles. It's also ideal to use mint to treat acid reflux. Turmeric. This spice assists the digestion process and improves liver and gallbladder function. Additionally, turmeric is an anti-inflammatory, analgesic, antioxidant and anti-carcinogenic spice. This is why we must include it in our diet. Ginger. Ginger is a medicinal remedy that promotes the secretion of gastric juices and makes digestion easier. It can also be used to fight nausea. How to make this syrup. To prepare this syrup, follow the steps below. Place the cinnamon sticks and fennel seeds in a saucepan with a liter of water, and let it boil for 10 minutes. After this, turn the heat off completely and add the lemon balm, mint, turmeric and ginger. Let the mixture sit for 5 minutes and then strain it. Mix the 2 lemons with a strained infusion. Include all of the lemon, even the peel, by using a peeler. After this, strain the mixture again. Now boil the infusion again and add the honey. You should put this mixture on very low heat and leave it for half an hour. Let the syrup cool down and then pour it into a glass jar. After this, place it in the fridge. It should be consumed within 2 weeks. How and when do we drink this syrup to help with digestive problems? In order to treat digestive problems, we should consume the syrup in the following ways. 1 tablespoon in the morning on an empty stomach. 1 tablespoon, mixed with hot water or on its own, half an hour before eating lunch. 1 tablespoon after lunch. 1 tablespoon, mixed with hot water or on its own, half an hour before dinner. 1 tablespoon after dinner. People who don't suffer from digestive problems, but who want help digesting their food when they've eaten too much, can also drink this syrup.